In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jotform survey. If you're looking to gather feedback, conduct research, or simply engage an audience, creating an online survey using Jotform is a quick and efficient way to accomplish your goals. Let's get started. First, we'll head over to the Jotform website. If you haven't visited Jotform before, it's a comprehensive online platform that allows users to create customizable forms for all sorts of purposes, including surveys. Make sure you've navigated to the official Jotform site to avoid any mishandling or confusion. Once you're on the Jotform homepage, the next step is to sign into your account. It's important to have an account to access the full range of tools and features that Jotform has to offer. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to take a moment to sign up and create one. It's a straightforward process and well worth it for future projects. After successfully signing in, you should be redirected to your main dashboard. On your dashboard, look for the button that reads Create Form. This is the starting point for all different types of forms you might want to make, including surveys. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked Create Form, you'll arrive at a screen where you can choose the form creation method that best suits your needs. At this point, I recommend using a template, as templates not only streamline the creation process, but also ensure that your survey has a professional look and feel. Jotform has a wide array of templates you can choose from, catering to various industries and purposes. For those focusing on surveys, using a template designed specifically for surveys is typically the easiest route. To find the right template for your project, make use of the search functionality. Type survey into the search bar to be presented with a variety of survey templates. Here's a handy tip. Take some time to scroll through the options and click on those that catch your eye. You want to select a template that closely aligns with the look and structure you're aiming for in your survey. When you've found the perfect match, click on the template to select it. Once you've selected your survey template, you're free to customize it to fit your needs. This is where you can add your own questions, tweak the design, and make sure that the survey will effectively capture the data you're looking for. Spend some time here to really personalize your survey and ensure it aligns with your objectives. After you're satisfied with your customizations, the next step is to publish your form. Look for the Publish button, click on it, and Jotform will generate a link for your newly created survey. Copy that link, and you're ready to share your survey with your audience. And there you have it. You've just created your very own Jotform survey from start to finish. Thank you for tuning in, and best of luck with your data gathering.